I roll it, know that I'm blessed.
It's Ireland, and there are some pirates.
This is the land of dinosaurs. And over there is a triceratops. One is a...
Oh my God! Wow!
They are playing together, just as they would have done.
Amazing! This is exactly as it would have been all those millions of years ago.
Except for the train.
All aboard! There you are, a train! Where's it going now?
To tiny modern land. Modern land.
Click-clack, the train was on the track. Puff and puff, clickety-clickety-clack. This is like where we live, Peppa. Yes, there are houses and cars and hills and...
Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will
and planes and boats.
It's more now. He's not wrong, is it?
Oh, it's broken.
No, it's not. Look there.
Tiny little Mr. Bull. Digging. Stay here.
Tiny land is just like the real world, down to every tiny detail.
We're digging up the road!
Who can tell me their favourite game?
Jumping up and down in muddy puddles.
And what do we need to make a muddy puddle?
Dirt and water.
Dirt and water. Mix them together to make a muddy puddle. Peppa, please test the puddle.
This puddle is...